Good morning, risers. Thank you once again for giving us the time to update you on a few initiatives happening in the company. Please allow me to share a very important update on a very important topic: having a culture of learning in the company. We will never ever know everything. The most successful people are all lifelong learners. They have the humility to admit that they don't know everything. Successful people always makes time, not find time, they make time to enrich themselves. They don't make excuses when it comes to learning. Allow me to compliment Anne and Kat, who attended a rigorous 6-month long training program that took up time away from their work and personal life. Not once, not once did I hear them complain. They did their work excellently and they pushed to get high grades at the same time. Risers like them are lifelong learners. I have had the opportunity of consulting for many companies. Let me share an observation with you. Very little, as in only 1 out of 10 companies, provide their employees the opportunities to improve themselves. These 1 out of 10 companies are always at the top 10 of their industry. Why? Because they built a culture of learning and mentoring. We are so fortunate that the owner of our company believes in a learning culture. If we were in the 9 other companies that don't believe in training their people, then we will not have the support of our company to develop ourselves. It's seldom to come across employers that believe in the potential of their employees. It's seldom that leaders spend time teaching their teams. Do you want to have better careers and a better life? Then grab these opportunities to improve yourself. Your development is not solely the responsibility of your leaders. Your leader's responsibility is to provide you with opportunity to grow and improve your skills. You are ultimately responsible for your career. You hold your future in your hands. You. Let us create a great future for ourselves and our company. Attend our free in-house programs. Get yourselves mentored by your leaders. It's your future, so take charge of it. Let me start off with sharing with you what was provided to everyone in the last month and a half. In August 5, we had a leadership qualities, a special run for our friends in Bayer. August 9, we did an LDP 201, a leadership development program, the 30-minute mini learnings on work plan development, how to develop your work planning abilities. August 16, we did a refresher on the 4DX, or the 4 disciplines of execution, because we believe that all our plans are fruitless if you don't execute properly. August 18, we did a free POC webinar with a guest, Carlo Martin. August 23, we did another 30-minute webinar or workshop on time management and prioritization. August 26, we did a special run for our friends in Sanofi, accepting and thriving with change. September 5, we had the great customer service, a special face-to-face workshop for B&B. September 13, we did an LDP 101 refresher on effective presentations, which was essentially how do we become better presenters to our clients, and also to be better presenters in our business reviews. The schedule for the coming months until December is as follows. September 20, again, a 30-minute leadership development program on agile thinking. October 4, again on a 30-minute workshop on asking the right questions. October 18, we're going to talk about the importance of storytelling and public speaking. Again, a 30-minute lesson. November 15, we're going to talk about synthesizing your messages. Again, a 30-minute talk. November 29, another 30-minute talk on active listening. December 13, creativity and imagination. And December 27, translating knowledge into different contexts and adopting different perspectives. And of course, in between this, we're going to have proper 2-hour workshops for our different brands as they negotiate the timing with us and the schedules of their workshops for specific brands. If you look at this, we're talking about 30-minute learnings. Yes, it just takes 30 minutes of your time to develop or understand a particular skill. That's 30 minutes out of 4,800 minutes every 2 weeks. 30 minutes out of 4,800 minutes every 2 weeks. So it's very hard to imagine not having the time if we're only talking about 0.62% of your time. 0.62%. It's not even 1%. Of course, we are also doing other programs to develop the competencies of our people. We call it the leveling up programs. Ed is looking after our developing or improving or leveling up our ethical training. They recently concluded an ethical training program, leveling up, for our friends in Bayer, and they have already scheduled to run similar ethical multi-channel engagement trainings for the other brands. Wena is also coming up with a very stringent supervisor competency program for all of our supervisors in the company. On October 1, we will start to use extensively our LMS or Learning Management System or online training, for the company. We have a plan on migrating existing curriculums selectively, and we're going to be very selective of what we can set up in LMS, what's going to be purely as LMS, what's going to be hybrid, and what's going to be dependent on our client. And then I noticed that we also need to go back to basics on our leadership program. So this might be injected in our 30-minute discussions, the leadership back to basics. And very, very soon, you're going to see that we are also specializing our CFE people, our CFE team. We're now specializing 2 sets of teams. One on developing our activation capabilities, and another set of team focused on developing our ethical detailing capabilities, focusing on and specializing on them. So if you notice, we're doing a lot of things to help each and every one of us level up our skills, level up our competencies. Again, like I mentioned before, the responsibility of leaders is to provide you the opportunity to develop yourself. Now, it's up to you if you're just going through the motion or if you're going to take it seriously and truly be intentional and passionately develop yourselves so that you can rise up, in your career, so that you can develop and be the best version of yourself. Let us remember that successful people are lifelong learners. See you guys at the next training. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the updates that CMO will be giving.